Hi, my dear customers. I'd like to introduce what's the IMS all about and myself. I'm a CTO of the Beauty Collagen, and IMSL can be defined as a multifunctional collagen for hair care and repairing. And the IMSL is well known, and has already proven its effects and efficacy to improve hair sheen and texture. And also, IMSL has the long-lasting effects on the hair. And moreover, IMSL has successfully obtained international PCT patents from USA. And IMSL is also known to have a natural touch, eco-friendly lubricant that protects the hair scalp. And let me emphasize once again, in a nutshell, the proven effects of IMSL on the hair are improve the hair texture, nourishment, and gloss to rough hair. And also, IMSL is superbly effective when applied to synthetic wigs and to boosting a natural texture. IMSL's fermented collagen and specialized binder maximize hair volume and moisture and protect the hair cuticle. And thank you for your kind attention.